She is like pure perfection. Look at her little face.
Two men disguised as women tried to crash a car into
Look how precious she is. Look at that face. She's the cutest little girl. She is pure perfection, I am telling you. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, isn't she just beautiful? She just does awesome in her foster home. And she says, I'm just like a little baby girl. Look at that little baby. Oh, I just love her. She says, I'm sweet, I'm calm, I love everybody. Look, I'm just pure perfection with my little tongue goes, my little tail goes. Look how cute I am. Oh, she says, I'm going to come over here and get in your lap. Oh, she's so cuddly. She says, I'm a little cuddle girl. Oh, we love you. Look at that. She says, I'm going to kiss the camera. You going to kiss the camera? Oh, there she is. I got a kiss. Oh, my gosh, she is so precious. We love you, baby girl. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. She says, I am very sweet. I'm the sweet. Oh, big yawn. She says, and I'm up here on the couch. Yes, I am. My tail works too. Oh, can you sit? Can you lay? Good girl. I'm perfection. Yes, I am.